In Denmark, it's illegal to burn foreign flags. But you know what? You can burn the Danish flag. It's quite surprising that you can't burn or can't harm any other country's pride, but you can burn the Danish flag. Hey, what do you think about it? Why don't you write it down in the comments? Psychologist in 1930 adopted a baby chimp and tried to raise her alongside their own baby boy Donald to see if this caused the chimp to learn human behavior. You know what happens? After 9 months, they stopped the experiment because their son started behaving like a chimp. Oh, that's quite ironical. That's quite fascinating if you ask me. It took the creator of Rubik's Cube, Erno Rubik, more than 1 month to solve the cube after he created it. But you know what? The current world record is 3.47 seconds. It took him 1 month to just solve the cube that he himself created. This is Moscow Metro, which has free Wi-Fi. Confessed now, that what do you understand from this picture? Please write it down in the comments. Full of rice. What I understand, for the even having the free Wi-Fi, no one is busy on his phone. Everyone is reading the book. They are utilizing their time to the fullest. Women, children and dogs are loved unconditionally, but a man is loved only on a condition: if he provides something. Chris Rock. After watching customers pay money to buy cookies from a store, a dog in Colombia started bringing leaf in his mouth and presented it to the store attendant. Astonished by the dog's intelligence, they couldn't help but give him a cookie. Well, dogs are quite intelligent. What do you think about that? You know what? 100 years ago, I owned a horse, and only the rich guys owned cars. But now today, everyone has car, but only the rich one owned horses. That's quite ironic. The photographer kept 18 cameras and waited for full 62 days. See once and turn your photo upside down. In 1944, black student in Columbus, Ohio, won an essay contest on the theme of what to do with Hitler after the war by submitting a single sentence: put him in a black skin and let him live the rest of his whole life in America. What do you think about that? Write in the comments. You know who is the fastest species in the world? Okay, let's talk about land. On land, it is cheetah with 109.4 to 120.7 kilometers per hour. And in water, it is sailfish, which has 109 kilometers per hour. But in air, it is peregrine, which has 389 kilometers per hour. Can you tell me which of these three is your favorite? The inventor of Vaseline used to eat a spoonful of Vaseline every single day. You know what? I found it really strange. What do you think about it? This penguin swims 8,000 kilometers every year. You know why? Just to meet the human who once saved its life. It is a really emotional story. Astha, India's billionth baby. 21 years back, India's official population reached the mark of 1 billion with the birth of a baby girl Astha on May 2000. That is a super amazing fact. Finally, India reached a population of 1 billion Astha. Hey, give a like for her to this video.